I also believe that the government should allow people to educate children about HIV/AIDS and LGBT rights at a younger age, because as they're learning from a younger age, they would stop doing all this madness and all these bullying and stuff. Like anti-bullying, that was taught at a younger year, and racism was taught at a younger year. Some people do it, but most people say don't do it because it's racist, or don't do it because it's racist. If we teach everyone about LGBT rights at a younger age, or HIV/AIDS at a younger age, they'll tell their people, oh, don't do this because it's bad, and they wouldn't use gay as a bad word. They'll use it as telling someone who, and they wouldn't judge people in that way. If they learn about it at a younger level, then as they grow up, they're still learning about it, and that makes a better society.
Thank you.